Hey guys, welcome to my channel, The Fourth Sky Arts and Architecture. I've taken a short break from my 50 San Francisco Buildings challenge to dive into a cherished memory from our 2005 trip to Europe. This time capturing the magical city of Venice with its iconic gondolas and buildings. Here's how I approach this urban sketch. I started blocking the basic shapes with a light pencil sketch. This step is about getting the proportions and composition right, from the following shapes of the gondola to the distant buildings lining the canal. The reference picture is one-point perspective, making sketching less difficult. After nailing down the pencil outline, I switched to my trusty pen to lock in the details. With careful strokes, I defined the structures and textures, the sleek curves of the gondola, the ornate facade of Venetian buildings, and the rippling water beneath them. The pen work is where the scene really starts to take shape, bringing out the fine details like the windows and doors and the balusters on the buildings. Once the pen work was complete, it was time to breathe life into the sketch with watercolor. Okay guys, I'm trying to come up with a palette for this project, and see, I study the color palette here, and I know I'm gonna need some kind of yellow, which is, look for the building number 2. This is what I pick up. It's just one color, so I picked this yellow sienna. For building 1, this is the one I picked, the combination of Indian yellow and Chinese red. Now for the sky, I'm just gonna have ultramarine, a touch of light blue. Then for the water, I decided to get this. So the combination is indigo plus the hooker green. Okay, let's get started. I'm so excited to color this project of mine. One of our pictures when we went to Europe in 2005. All right, let's get started. I began by layering soft translucent washes, starting with light blues for the sky and vibrant earthy tones for the buildings. I let the paint flow, keeping it loose and fluid to match the atmosphere of Venice. I kept my colors subtle, just enough to evoke the tranquil mood of the scene without overpowering the drawing. To add depth, I layered darker washes to create shadows and define the forms. The shadows of the buildings falling on the water, the play of light and shade on the ancient stone walls, and the darker areas in the water were all crucial to make the scene feel real and grounded. This stage is where the sketch really came to life, giving the elements dimension and volume. Finally, I returned to the details, refining areas that needed more attention. I sharpened the lines of the gondola and the people, added more texture to the water, and brought out the smaller architectural features of the buildings like windows and balconies. These final touches tied everything together, ensuring that the sketch felt balanced and complete, capturing both the essence and the emotion of that special moment in Venice. This journey back to 2005 brought Venice alive in my sketchbook once more. I cannot wait to share the finished piece with you all. And there you have it, guys. Here's the finished product. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.